The extreme heat is finally broken with an increase in thunderstorm activity on Wednesday. You'll see one band extending through the middle part of South Africa, with the second extending from the northwest all the way through to KwaZulu-Natal. There's even a watch for the possibility of severe thunderstorms over the eastern interior on Wednesday night. We're forecasting some drizzle over the southwestern parts on Thursday, with widespread showers over the southern part of South Africa. Cloudy, wet and cooler weather moves in over the Eastern Cape, with thundershowers extending through to KwaZulu-Natal and Mpumalanga, as well as the northeastern interior. There's a watch for severe thunderstorms over the eastern part of South Africa, with a fine and dry but cooler day over the central part of the country. We're forecasting windy conditions over the interior, especially the eastern Free State, with a strong to gale force southwesterly wind along parts of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal coast. Maximum temperatures pop back into the low and middle 30s for KwaZulu-Natal, with a 60% chance of thundershowers throughout the province. You'll see a much cooler day for the Eastern Cape, with cloudy and wet weather along the coast, as well as for the adjacent lying interior. Only 16 degrees for Queenstown and Grahamstown. George can expect that same daytime high, with up to an 80% chance of showers over the southern part of South Africa. We're expecting rainfall all the way through to Beaufort West at 18 degrees, as well as over parts of the Western Cape. 22 for Worcester and Robertson, and Cape Town can expect some drizzle with a high of 19 degrees. Sutherland remains partly cloudy and dry though, with a freezing start of the day and a maximum of only 15 on Thursday afternoon. You'll see sunny conditions over the central part of the country, with a much cooler day expected on Thursday. Highs peaking in the mid-20s from Uppington all the way through to Bloemfontein. 27 is your high for Bethlehem and Harrismith, with isolated thundershowers. We're also expecting thundershowers mainly over the eastern part of the northwest. Things remain dry for Vryburg, Mahikeng and Klerksdorp, all with a maximum temperature of around 30 degrees. Thundershowers are expected particularly over the southwestern part of Limpopo. Phalaborwa topping 37, 33 as we head into Tzaneen and Mbombela. Scattered thunderstorms are expected throughout Mpumalanga, with highs in the upper 20s and low 30s. 33 as we head towards Pretoria, with a maximum of around 30 for the rest of Gauteng. There's even a watch for the possibility of severe thunderstorms, and that's mainly over the eastern part of South Africa on Thursday. Our extended forecast for Friday shows rain and cooler weather over the eastern part of the country. Thundershowers are forecast for Gauteng, but you'll see maximum temperatures starting to warm up across the country as we head towards the weekend, with a warm to hot Saturday in store. Drizzle is expected for Mbombela and Polokwane, with thundershowers mainly for the Highveld. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a great one.